Hello, and thank you for joining me here at Take Five with Renee Five. Hey, that's me. The Supreme Court has lost a lot of credibility with many Americans. There's also some challenges as to why they have a lifetime term. Maybe that needs to change. At this point, they are under a lot of pressure with all the things going on with the former president and his challenges to the law and also his associates. So I want to share a video here that will help you understand the latest challenge that they have as it pertains to the insurrection.
Is anyone who corruptly destroys evidence or, and here's the key part that they grappled with today, otherwise obstructs, influences, or impedes any official proceeding. So the question is, does anyone who's charged under this provision have to have done something to taint, wreck, spoil, destroy evidence at an official proceeding? The federal government says, no, this is sort of this phrase after the word otherwise is a bit of a catch-all phrase. And this can cover anyone that was involved in January 6th who knew that an official proceeding was going on and tried to disrupt it. Now, Dana, I have to say, the questions from most of the justices from the conservative bloc that dominates suggest that they think the government has gone too far in its reading of this statute and that it would end up applying, as Samuel Alito said in a hypothetical, maybe to disruptions in the Supreme Court or maybe to peaceful protests outside.
So does the upshot, if you're reading, which you've done this many times, I certainly trust your reading of these justices, if it's correct and they're skeptical and they side with the defendants here, could they be let out of jail? And what would that mean for Donald Trump and the indictment of him?
No, most of these people, including Donald Trump, are charged under multiple offenses. So it could mean less jail time for some people if the court rules against the government here. Or, for example, in the case of Donald Trump, Special Counsel Jack Smith has said, even if you buy the argument here from the January 6th defendant and say that some sort of evidence connection with some records or documents has to be included here, they could go back and recharge him because they say that he proposed fraudulent electoral count documents, and that would meet the definition.
Listening to that pundit, it helped me to understand all the layers associated with the issue at hand. So I hope it helped you too. Thank you for joining me here at Take Five with Renee Five. Be blessed.